Okay, thank you. So I'm Michael, and this is Christian, and we're here from iBrokr. We're here today to talk to you about one of our products within iBrokr called Stock Battle. So having looked at the traditional brokering offerings that are out there from banks today, we found them to have high entry barriers. They were not easily accessible, and certainly not easy to understand. Essentially, they were very complex. In the wake of social media and Web 2.0, Brokertainment has the ambition to make brokerage open and transparent, entertaining, and importantly, easily accessible for anyone, at any time, in any place. We're here today to share our product, Stock Battle, with the purpose of finding partners that will help us expand internationally and also potentially invest in Brokertainment. When we started the development of Stock Battle, our guiding philosophy was to deliver a product that was 100% defined by the customer, would let users trade against each other, and, more importantly, provides an engaged peer-to-peer market environment. Our biggest challenge was to make the complex world of options that were very complex, very simple, whilst fulfilling our philosophy. So let's show you how easy it is to actually set up a Stock Battle. So Christian, if you could please enter into Stock Battle, where you see an overview of battles that are underway, open battles, and which have not yet started, so I have a counterpart, and closed battles, those that have started or are about to start. So let's set up our own. First, we have the chance to decide what kind of stock battle we want to create. There are two kinds. Flop or top, basically the raising of stocks, markets, commodities, etc., or which wins, essentially a straight shootout between two different stocks. For today, we're going to demo the flop or top option. As you can see, Christian has to decide what option he'd like to take. He could take oil, the euro, or any of the DAX stocks being traded. But for today, we're going to take the DAX as a whole, and Christian needs to decide whether he thinks it's going to move up or down. I guess being German, he's going to be cautiously optimistic and suggest that it's going to move up. And he also has to say when he thinks this is going to take place. So let's go for between 11 and 11:30, which gives plenty of time to factor in after this presentation some positive feedback about a product coming out of a German company presenting at Finovate. Only one more decision and then we're done. You have to decide how much does Christian want to invest. So essentially, what risk is he willing to take? So a conservative €1. So I guess the rest is probably tied up in Greece or somewhere. So finally, he accepts the terms and the trade is done. So after confirming the stock battle, you can share this with your friends on Facebook, who equally can then participate by counterpartying your option. But each battle actually generates a unique URL, so it can be easily identified and spread and found on the internet. So now all you have to do is wait for a counterpart, a guy who thinks that in exactly the same time frame, the DAX is going to move in a different direction to what you're suggesting, and is willing to invest €1. It's important to note that legally the bank is actually counterparty to the trades. So in the meantime, let's check what stock battles are out there that we could perhaps counterpart. Here we have an open battle that says Facebook stock will rise after IPO. I'll put my hand up and say I have a contrary opinion to that. I think there's too much money being made in shorting tech stock at the moment. So we'll say the opposite thing. All we have to do is click on counterpart. So let's do that. And again, we accept the terms and the deal is done. Of course, we've not got time to wait to find out the result of that, so let's just jump into some currently running stock battles. What we can see is who is battling who. We can see what the battle is on, and we can see who is leading, and we can also see how much money is on the table. So in this example, both parties are betting €10 each, so that's a total betting volume of €20. So the principle is crystal clear. The winner takes it all, aside from a commission that is deducted from the total. But as you can see, there is no hidden cost. The product itself is easily set up in 5 clicks, and it's transparent, it's fair, and it's accessible. So to sum up, by offering Stock Battle, Brokertainment gives you the chance to create your own option and, importantly, decide your own risk appetite, free of any setup cost. And there is no investment bank looking to skim you. Simply, there is just no hidden agenda. In a world where financial services are trying to socially engage, we feel Stock Battle is a perfect example of how to engage in the social environment in a relevant way as a financial services company. I mean, a fan page simply tells you that people like to like. Customers and consumers are products of what they do, not what they say they do. So we've been happy to share Stock Battle with you today. If you'd like to integrate Stock Battle as an offer on your website, we're happy to help you. So please come and talk to us later on. If you'd like to participate in the development of Stock Battle and the development of further social betting offers that are at the intersection of brokerage and social media lifestyle, we're happy to help and have a discussion. And of course, if you'd like to talk about investing in Brokertainment, equally we'll be happy to have that discussion. So thank you very much for your attention today. Enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.